Good morning, everybody. Guess what? I recorded a whole video without recording, so now I'm having to start over. Um, anyway, I'm going to show you a local radar here. It's still very humid out there with showers and some showers to our southeast. But unlike yesterday, we don't have any rain storms probably to come through our area shortly as you try to go to work. Uh, Over the next week or so, I wanted to highlight the rain chance possibilities here. So if we scroll through, I showed you this yesterday. This is 24 every 6 hours. Showing rain chance, the possibility of quarter-inch or more through Saturday. You can see we're hovering around 33%. It kind of towards the end of the week, it ramps up some 70%. So there's the chances of rain in our area increase towards the end of the week, as you can see there. Future radar for today. Let's go through the next 18 hours. This model depiction shows that quite well. What's going on right now? Nothing. Possibly some storms towards showers coming through our area tonight. We'll see how that plays out. It's kind of far out to kind of pinpoint that, but we'll see what happens. On the larger scale, right now, why um, we have lesser chances for your weather is because we have a little bit less amplified pattern going on. Well, computer, it's good. This thing is not wanting to cooperate. Anyway, you can see this in the upper level water vapor loop. You can see the upper level low developing here. There's a huge amount of storms going on right now. If you look at the radar out here, you can see it's they have flash flood guidance out here. Flash flooding possible. Also, marginal risk of severe storms out here, and actually, this is a slight risk, and then marginal risk here. So this is the real area that's going to get hit the next couple of days until this upper level low moves out this way. What this means for us is our upper pattern is kind of flat right now, and you can see it. This upper low, I'm moving this way. We get a little upper ridging over top of us, which see the upper flow is this way. So we're kind of out of that northwest flow for a little while, but over time, let's see what happens here. Upper level flow kind of gets some troughiness here towards the end of the period, which would indicate to me that we're going to start getting more stormy weather again towards the end of the week, which is reflected well in the precipitation chances. As far as flooding risk goes, this is the current outlook for our area, which shows possibility of marginal flooding and slight marginal out here, which I just talked about, and then this moderate to slight flooding risk in this area with that upper low and marginal just to our north. And then it kind of still up there, and then up here in the upper Midwest, and then moves in the Mississippi Valley area to the Great Lakes. So there's the flooding risk for this area is really quite low, as I talked about. There's not a lot of rain involved. Pop-up thunderstorm next couple days with increasing rain chances over the next few days towards the end of the week. Let's look at a radar depiction. You can see today is going to be relatively quiet. I talked about, and maybe this evening we might have some storms go through the area. So temperature-wise, it's going to be warmer than it has been, of course, because we have less cloud covered. 70s, 80s, what you would expect this time of year. And then your dew point, which is how it feels, 71, which is quite sticky. And although heat index values aren't off the charts in the 90s, which I would expect that this time of year. So not overall too bad for June. So not a lot going on right now, and for this area, pray for our folks out in Texas, and hope you all have a good day.